Hello and welcome to Islamic Finance Weekly. I am Rahma Say Muhammad. Still on the theme evolution of Islamic finance, journey through time. We were at the Dacurate secondary school debates competition themed leadership and finance, and we engaged with key players and guests at the event to know if they know about Islamic finance and its offerings and its roots. We're talking about evolution of Islamic finance, its widespread, and how it's fast adopted. So stay tuned with us to watch this conversation.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I'm aware of it.
Yes, I'm aware.
No, I haven't.
Yes, I am aware of some of those organizations in the country, like Jais Bank. I know most Islamic financial organization give loans to members or customers, and those loans are devoid of interest because I equally belong to one with the Lagos State government, and when loans are activated, interest are not attached to such.
I'm very aware, and it's a good one.
No, I'm not aware of them.
I'm aware of it. It's non-interest. They don't get interest on certain money.
So I've heard of it. I have like just surface idea of how in Islam interests are not Islamic. So yeah, but I don't really know anything deep about it. But I know of it.
Yeah, I did a bit of research about Islamic finance. Former CBN governor Lamidu Sanusi, when he was the current governor, he actually spoke about it. So I did a little background research about it.
I've heard of Islamic finance bank called Jays, I think. And then I don't know much about it, but I heard somewhere that it's run on a cheaper rate. But I don't know if you're a Christian, if you could actually be entitled to it. That's what I don't know.
Oh, okay, the name Islamic finance is just a name. It doesn't mean it's segregated to the Muslims. It's actually open to every single person. So you could call it ethical finance or non-interest finance. It's just that its roots from Islamic teachings, but it's open to everyone.
Okay, that's a very good one. I think I should try it one of these days.
The little I know about Islamic banking and Islamic finance is that as a business person, as an entrepreneur, most of the support they give to you are non-interest based. They are not charging any interest. However, when you bring your proposal to them, they try to run down the profitability of the business, and depending on the profitability of the business, they share profits with you instead of charging you interest. And the percentage of profit they share with you has to be mutually agreed upon. So that is much of what I know about Islamic banking.
They do interest-free charges.
Of course, I'm aware of that. I know some of them, like the Taj Bank itself, and there's other microfinance bank, Islamic microfinance bank. But I can't really mention all the names. But just like you mentioned, I'm aware of the usury stuff because it's in the Old Testament. It's part of the ordinances. No, though it's not in the Ten Commandments, but part of the ordinances God gave them not to shout usury on the brothers, on their neighbors rather. So I think that's where the Islamic banking thing is stemming from. So I don't really know much about the whole thing, conception around it, but I understand that that's where it's coming from.
Islamic banking is just a kind of bank where they don't charge interest, unlike the other conventional, traditional banking system whereby interest is being charged. And it's according to the line of faith that, okay, if they charge interest, it's like going against the standard of the religion.
Those were amazing conversations we had with people at the Dacurate event. We're able to see people's awareness level of Islamic finance, those who know about it and those who don't, and those who picked interest in Islamic finance by watching or hearing something about it. There was even someone that schooled us about its roots. Islamic finance is really evolving. Well, next week, we'll bring on a guest to discuss on the future of Islamic finance with us. Well, with that, I would say don't forget to keep it updated to us next week on the program. Follow us on all of our social media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I am Rahma Say Muhammad.